Hi everyone, my name is Vaniemermaid and welcome back to another episode of Pokemon Go. How y'all doing? Well, for me, welcome to Vegas. Yay! Yeah, so I'm here for Vegas for getting ready for Pokemon Go Fest. Sorry, for Pokemon Go Hoenn Tour. Oops, wrong event. So yeah, right now I'm trying this new camera out. I'm not used to the angle and everything, but yeah, I'll just get used to it. Remember my original camera broke, but yeah. So this video will be day 1 and day 2 combo because like day 1 was Wednesday and I had to travel a lot, so I'm exhausted and I have to hurry up and check in, make sure to eat lunch and dinner and all that stuff. Whew, it's like so much work to do. So we lost mom in the casino, so my dad and I were pranking her somehow, and then for some reason we lost her. I think that prank got bad, and so we split up. Then we found mom, and then we lost dad because dad was looking for mom. So we wasted so much time looking for each other. So hilarious. So I am really bad at a Pokemon Go Hoenn Tour. So I did not know it was like 12 hours event, this thing time racer. So I forgot to claim it on Tuesday, so I couldn't prove that it was a Mudkip. But for sure Tuesday was Sableye, but it's not that great, so I'm going to transfer it. And I don't know what it was for yesterday, which was Wednesday. So hopefully I have to quickly complete this for you guys so that way you can have it, take a look at it. And yesterday we also had Shiny during raid hour. Yay! It was an invite from Nap. Vallejo, I thought it was from Napa, but whatever. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But I caught it here in Vegas. But anyway, it's an 87% shiny Regirock. Yay! I already got shiny for this guy, but it's cool to have again, right? Because we have to try to grind the Shundos, right? Even though it's not good in a Go Battle League or anything, it's just more for collection. Let's claim this reward before we forget again. For the third, we don't want to again forget to claim this for the 3rd time. This is most important because we're counting down to the Hoenn Tour. It's Rainy Castworm. I need the shiny version. So during this event, you can select either Team Kyogre or Team Groudon. When I look at the thing of my collection, I feel like I need more Groudon, fire type shiny Pokemon versus water type Pokemon. So I want to try pick Groudon, but I feel like Kyogre. I have to pick my team. Team Mystic, Team Blue, Water Team, Kyogre. So I think I'm going to stick with Kyogre, and then hopefully that we can get the shiny version of all the fire type during the Hoenn Tour. Hopefully, cross my fingers, right?